When considering the design of a new home, one of the key decisions to make is the type of roof to install. While flat roofs have become increasingly popular for their modern aesthetic and potential cost savings, there are several important factors to consider before opting for this style. In this video, we'll explore 7 reasons why you might want to avoid building a flat roof house. Understanding these factors can help you make an informed decision about the best roofing option for your needs. Number 1. Poor drainage. Flat roofs lack the natural slope of pitched roofs, which means water can pool and accumulate if not properly drained. This ponding can lead to water infiltration, causing leaks and damage to the roof structure over time. Without adequate drainage systems, such as gutters and downspouts, maintaining a flat roof becomes more challenging. Number 2. Durability issues. Flat roofs are more susceptible to damage from environmental factors. For example, heavy snow accumulation can put stress on the roof structure, leading to potential collapses if not cleared promptly. Additionally, standing water can weaken the roof's integrity over time, increasing the risk of leaks and other issues. Number 3. Maintenance challenges. Because of their design, flat roofs require more frequent maintenance compared to sloped roofs. This includes regular inspections to check for damage, pooling water, and debris buildup. Cleaning the roof and ensuring that drainage systems are clear and functional are essential tasks for maintaining a flat roof. Number 4. Limited insulation options. Insulating a flat roof can be more complex and expensive than insulating a pitched roof. Without proper insulation, a flat roof can result in higher energy costs to heat and cool the building. Additionally, improper insulation can lead to condensation issues inside the building, potentially causing mold and mildew growth. Number 5. Limited aesthetic appeal. While some people appreciate the modern and minimalist look of flat roofs, others may find them less visually appealing compared to traditional pitched roofs. The aesthetic appeal of a flat roof can also vary depending on the architectural style of the building and its surroundings. Number 6. Resale value. Flat roofs are less common in residential construction, which can affect the resale value of a property. Potential buyers may perceive flat roofs as less desirable or may be concerned about the maintenance and durability issues associated with them. This can make it harder to sell a property with a flat roof or could result in a lower selling price. Number 7. Structural considerations. Flat roofs require stronger structural support compared to pitched roofs to withstand the weight of the roof itself, as well as any potential snow or water accumulation. This can increase the cost of construction and may limit design options for the building. In summary, while flat roofs offer some advantages, such as modern aesthetics and potential cost savings, they also come with several challenges and considerations that should be carefully evaluated before deciding on this roofing option. Consulting with a professional architect or builder can help you determine whether a flat roof is the right choice for your specific needs and circumstances. Please subscribe to make sure you never miss a beat.